Subscriber base, big up on yourself and on the US, no matter which part on the day. Don't forget, I'll be having classes in your neck of the woods next year, so you can hopefully by now you'll be able to register. If you will be, I'll annotate or leave the link in the description bar below to see where I'll be, and in order for you to register for the classes. You guys, I so appreciate you, and that's why I had to do this 12 days of Christmas for you guys. Like, do you see my eyes and my lips right now? Red, white, and blue, baby. Yes, yes. Come through, come through. Enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so this look is going to be very minimalistic. I'll just be focusing on the eyes and the lips. That does not sound minimalistic. So I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Step 1 Base Nourishing Primer. So I'm going to be using that today. Then I'm going to be using my Nye Mojave Adjuster in Adobe Brown. So I'm going to be using this to color correct, and I have not color corrected in a hot minute, but I have those two pimples there that no matter how you try to cover them up, they're never fully covered, so color correct. Then I'm going to be taking my Mary Kate Bronze 6. So I added some NW45 by MAC. You can see my face there. So for my highlights, as usual, I'm going to be using Black Opal's Toast. And I shouldn't have added the NW45 because it just looks red. I'm just hoping that my powder will allow it to not look so red. I'm probably gonna have to mix powders, but I shouldn't have used the. You see how red my face looks? Not have used that NW45. Well, you live and you learn. So as usual, I'm just going on top of my brows so that when this portion is blended out, it don't have the white cast up there. So for my powder, I'm going to be using my Nye Banana Powder to set my highlighted areas, and to set my all over face, I'm going to be using my Black Opal Classic Espresso. And I'm saying it because I'll be setting off camera. So as I suspected, it's a little bit too red. So I have to use my Shades by Gal contour palette, and I just make one tap in this color over here, and I'm going over the Classic Espresso because the NW45 made my face too red, so I'm just trying to make it a little bit cooler. Alright, so now I'm going to be moving on. I'm going to be baking, and I'm going to be baking still with my Nye Banana Powder. Now I was thinking about doing something a little bit minimalistic, but I changed my mind. So I'm going to be going in with my fluffy brush. This is MAC 224, and this is my Inglot Blush in 63, and I'm going in my crease. My Shades by Gal contour palette, and I'm going to be going in with this color over here, and I'm going to use it to do my brow bone. Then I'm going back in with the brush, nothing on it, and to just blend out. Then I'm going in with my Shades by Gal medium neutral concealer, and this is going to be going on my lid because I'll be adding a color from my Pretty Little Missy Grace palette. I'll be adding Melody from my Pretty Little Missy Grace palette. Melodies from heaven, yeah, rain down on me, rain down on me, rain down on me. So this is Melody. Alright, so this is Makeup by Visionarez Powder Blush in Heat. and I'm just going to put it right in the middle of these two. And as you can tell, I'm doing all reds for this American look. It's just so funny that this burgundy blush is coming up purple when I'm looking at it. So for my crease, I'm going in with Makeup Geek's Bitten, and it's just like a burgundy color. Going in the crease again with the same 224. Yeah, with the same MAC 224 brush. Yeah. Then I do not want to do this, but I'm going to be adding Corrupt by Makeup Geek. It's a black, using the same 224 because I want a little bit of depth for this look. I did not want to use any other colors besides red, white and blue, but it is what it is. This is my life, because this is looking heaven red. Kind of brush off a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with Heat by Makeup by Visionarez, using the same brush, just blending that down. Going back in with the brush I used to do my brow bone, and going in back with the same color from my Shades by Gal contour palette. Alright, then I'm going in back with my number 63 blush from Inglot, and I'm going over Corrupt so that it just looks like a really dark red instead of looking like I added black, you know. And for the inside here, I'm going in with Coco Bear. It's not a red, it's like a nice brown, but some red particles left on the brush same way. So I'm just going to tap and just apply it right here. I'm not applying for color deposit, I'm just applying to blend out that area of my eyes. Then I'm going back in with Melody from my Pretty Little Miss Grace palette. Her collaboration she did with Sedona Lace. Then I'm going to be lining my eyes with ANCO. So I'm going in with Frost from my Pretty Little Miss Grace palette. Then I'm going in with Fall For Me from the same Pretty Little Miss Grace palette. Let me use a different brush. So for my lashes, I'm going to, let me see if I can add this color. Okay, so I'm adding Charm from the same Pretty Little Miss Grace palette over Frost. A little bit of it just to lighten the blue. Alright, so that's it. So I'm going to be applying my lashes, and the lashes that I'll be wearing are my Fashionista lashes. So I'll be wearing my Fashionista lashes. I know this is just a t-shirt. I just cut the neck off because that's how I like to wear my t-shirts, but this is just a t-shirt. I'm putting it on from the bottom, not from the neck, and this is what I'll be using to wrap my hair. I dusted off a little bit of the powder, but I left it under my eyes just to catch any other excess fallout, and also for the area to remain brighter. So I'm just twisting it, then wrapping it around and kind of holding it in place. I'm holding it in place with my left hand, wrapping it around, alternating between my right and my left hand, then tucking the end bit in between, and then kind of pulling it down a little bit behind my ears. Yay! So I'll be taking Lollipop by KR Cosmetics. Then for my blush, I'll be taking Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in bronze, but you know mine is broken, so I had to like do my concoction to put it back together. Then I'm going to be taking the powder blush from Makeup by Visionarez Heat, top ones. Alright guys, so this is the finished look for today, and of course, as I said in the intro, shout outs to all my US subscribers. You guys really mean a lot to me. That's why I'm doing this 12 days of Christmas, where I'm representing each subscriber, like base of mine. I'm representing a country. Hopefully I can get to all the countries within the 12 days. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye guys. I just want to hold it out. Yes you do. Yes you do. Come.